Welcome to our recycling factory. Today, exactly how. Old mattresses are transformed into valuable new materials. Instead of ending up in landfills, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing factory tours. Watch out for this one.
Each mattress is inspected, so every recyclable material can be recovered safely. Advanced separation technology allows nearly every material to be recycled. Recycled steel can be used again to manufacture new products.
Foam and fabric find new life in a variety of useful products.
Even the smallest components are recovered whenever possible.
These fibers show 0 impurities.
Every recycled material is tested before being shipped to manufacturers.
Instead of filling landfills, old mattresses become valuable raw materials for new industries.
And that's how old mattresses are recycled, from unwanted waste into valuable new materials. Thanks for watching.